Maidí mai a bhaistí agus a heismóirí an seachtain seo táid gobar ar cabbage a hochtéig Cinnín Óir agus na Trí Bhéar. We're working on chapter 18 of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. It's fabal scialta it's a fable story, and Éistói muid leis inis. We're going to listen to it now on the computer. Agus tá sí scríofa ag Anya ní Glynn, written by Anya McGlynn, agus maisithe ag Laura Jean Phelan, illustrated by Laura Jean Phelan. Agus stop away me. I'll stop it as we go through to make sure, boys and girls, that we follow all the words and understand the new language. I really want you all to listen out to the verbs that are being used. Na brithra a usage and sheets a scale, agus na compraji hajiachti, the comparison of adjectives, going from small, smaller, smallest, big, bigger, biggest, and so on. And all that mathematical language comes up in the story as well, boys and girls, and comparing adjectives. And we'll be talking about a big bear, a very big bear, and a baby bear. Shishkiel Shaw Kamai, Agus Eg Fekens na Truscan, looking at the furniture that she sits on, lies down on, and looking at the bowls that she sees in the kitchen and everything. So enjoy this nice story now, and Eish Lishan Giligavra at the Ontu, listen to the lovely Irish that's in it. Cinnín Óir na Trí Bhéar, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Hui Mammy Bear, Daddy Bear, agus Baby Bear, and ma ag siúl faoin air. Mammy Bear, Daddy Bear, and Baby Bear went walking out in the fresh air. Trí Bhéar ag siúl sig spree, three bears walking and having fun. Bear mór, bear anna war, agus bearing big boy, a hen, a dog, a tree, a big bear, a very big bear, and a little bear. 1, 2, 3. Bear mór, bear anna war, agus bearing big boy. Hannick Cinnín Óir, honnick she cha. Along came Goldilocks, and she saw a house. Duscal she and Doris, agus hui she is cha. She opened the door and went in. Istísa Christine honnig she tree wowla lechen, a hen, a dog, a tree. In the kitchen she saw 3 bowls of porridge. 1, 2, 3. Bowla mór, bowla anna war, agus bowla big buideach, done verin big boy. And in the kitchen she saw a big bowl, a very big bowl, and a little tiny bowl, a tiny little bowl for a tiny little bear. Ta acras ersa Cinnín Óir. I'm hungry, said Goldilocks. Acne maitlam and letchas a while more, but I don't like this porridge in the big bowl. Ta acras ersa Cinnín Óir. Acne maitlam and lecha sa while anna war. I'm hungry, said Goldilocks, but I don't like the porridge in this very big bowl. Fech and shin cairdarin she. She and lecha a visa while big buideach, so while big buideach done very big bui. Look then what she did. She ate the porridge that was in the tiny little bowl. The tiny little bowl for the tiny little bear. Yum, 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 ersa Cinnín Óir. Yum, 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 says Cinnín Óir. Tam a walla glan. Gee, me galore. My belly is full. I ate enough. Feck and shin cared the honnick she. Look then what she saw. Tree her, a hen, a daw, a tree. 3 chairs, 1, 2, and 3. Her war, her anna war, agus her beg buideach done very big bui. A big chair, a very big chair, and a tiny little chair, A tiny little chair for a tiny little bear. Tá tuirse orm sa Cinnín Óir. I'm tired, said Goldilocks. Ach ní maithlam an chathair mór, but I don't like this big chair. Tá tuirse orm sa Cinnín Óir. Ach ní maithlam an chathair anna mór. I'm tired, said Goldilocks, but I don't like this very big chair. Fecin sin céir de rinn si. Hí si síos an gcathair bheith bhuideach. An gcathair bheith bhuideach, don bheirím bheith buí. Look then what she did. She sat down on the tiny little chair. The tiny little chair for the tiny little bear. Oh, céir de harla, agus Ian a he. Oh, what happened while she was sitting down? Bhris an chathair bheith bhuideach. The little tiny chair broke, and chathair bheith bhuideach don bheirím bheith buí. The tiny little chair for the tiny little bear. Bhí Cinnín Óir ag géirí go in the lí. Goldilocks was looking to go to sleep. Suas and Styra leihí a hain a dá trí. Up the stairs she went, 1, 2, 3. Duscail she and Doris agus honnig she 3 labba a hain a dá trí. She opened a door and she saw 3 beds, 1, 2, 3. Labba mhór, labba anna mhór, agus labba bheith bhuideach. Labba bheith bhuideach don bheirím bheith buí. A big bed, a very big bed, and a tiny little bed for a tiny little bear. Tá chalú orm sa Cinnín Óir. I'm tired, says Cinnín Óir. I want to sleep. Ach ní maithlam an labba mhór, but I don't like this big bed. Tá chalú orm sa Cinnín Óir. I'm sleepy, says Cinnín Óir, but I don't like this very big bed. Fecin sin céir de rinn si. Lí si síos an labba bheith bhuideach, an labba bheith bhuideach, don bheirím bheith buí. Look then what she did. She lay down on the tiny little bed for the tiny little bear. Agus hit she in a chalú, a hain, a dá, a trí, and she fell asleep, 1, 2, 3. Ach, and sin. Duscail and Doris, feck céir de honnig she. The door opened, and look what she saw. Trí Bhéar a hain a dá, a trí. 3 bears, 1, 2, 3. Bear mór, bear anna mhór, agus bheirím bheith buí. A big bear, a very big bear, and a tiny little bear. Líam Cinnín Óir agus rí si ama. Cinnín Óir jumped up and ran out. Rí Cinnín Óir ama as an cha. Goldilocks ran out of the house. Agus ag rí céir de honnig she, and while she was running, what did she see? Trí Bhéar a hain a dá, a trí. 3 bears, 1, 2, 3. Agus ag rí céir de hola she, and while she was running, what did she hear? Trí Bhéar, grrr. 3 bears, grrr, bhí siad crosta. Seo Jerry leis an scéal. That's the end of the story, boys and girls. Tásúil agam go mhainigh sibh soltas agus Jan Iirecht na príomhlínte a rá nuair a tá muintir alma ag rá iad. Try to say the main lines along with me as I say them for you in the story to practice those lovely lines. Go raibh maigah.